Hey everybody, my name's Danny and welcome back to Mind the Gap. In today's video, I went out on a solo storm chase across portions of southern Maine and southern New Hampshire. These strong storms had heavy rains, some gusty winds at times, and very frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. So without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video. On Wednesday, August 2nd, 2023, the Storm Prediction Center had issued a marginal risk of severe weather for northeast Pennsylvania, central New York, and parts of western New England. Fast forward to Thursday, August 3rd, 2023, the Storm Prediction Center added a slight risk to the outlook for the same areas and also extended the marginal risk to include more of northern and central New England. And lastly, on Friday, August 4th, 2023, the SPC had extended the slight risk to now include western and central Massachusetts, the southern half of Vermont, and the southern half of New Hampshire. The primary threats on this severe day were damaging winds and some potentially large hail. The tornado threat remained out to the west in New York and Pennsylvania. As with every past severe day this year in New England, there always seems to be a flood risk of some sort, and that was also the case on this day, with the Weather Prediction Center issuing a slight risk of flash flooding for all of Vermont, New Hampshire, and portions of western and southern Maine. Now with all that laid out, let's get to the complete storm chase. Alright, today is August 4th, 2023. It is a Friday. I am making my way northward towards New Hampshire and Maine. We just crossed into New Hampshire and just exited out of the rest area to set up the cameras. But other than that, today there is a slight risk of severe weather for much of northern New England, including southern portions of New Hampshire and Vermont, and also a marginal risk that extends into portions of Maine as well. A severe thunderstorm watch is already in effect, and there already are some storms that have been popping up this afternoon, and that's where we're headed now. There's a few of them ahead of us, as you'll see on the radar scan. They've been having some frequent lightning, but as of right now, they're just some strong storms, not even special weather stated or severe warned at all. But we'll see what we can get into today. The primary risks within the slight risk today are damaging winds and some isolated large hail events up to 1.5 inches possible. But also not only that, but on top of all that severe threat, we do have the chance of excessive rainfall. There is a slight risk of flash flooding for most of northern New England, as these storms will probably be training right behind each other in a short amount of time. As you can see, since it is a Friday, there are a lot of people heading northbound from like Massachusetts and that area there to get to their vacation spots. So once we get past the Hampton tolls, this traffic should break up, and then we can start getting into some of these storms. So see what we can get into today. Looks like we're going to be driving into our first thunderstorm of the day, hopefully the first of many. This one's been forming since about the Maine-New Hampshire line towards the Rochester area there. And the southern part of the cell has been really starting to increase in lightning activity. very torrential rain. Right now it is 7:15 and I am located in Alton, New Hampshire, intercepting this main line of storms, which is about maybe 25 miles long or so. We're about to get hit with one of the lightning hot spots of it. It's been going absolutely insane, and the thunder, it just sounds like bowling balls. And even though the storm is still about 6 or 7 miles away, it's still like you can feel the thunder in your chest. It's crazy. There's like continuous flashing off in the distance. I don't know if you're able to see that on camera, but I'm definitely sure that you're able to hear the thunder right now. But we're gonna intercept this and see whatever lightning we can capture with this. Jeez. Almost time to shut the windows. Jeez. Whoa. This thing's about to be crazy. It's getting very dark. Here we go. Oh my God! Holy shit. Oh my God. I'm gonna try to reposition back down to Farmington to see if we can get back in front of this thing. Don't know how likely that will be, but it's worth a shot. Filming the whole way, there's too much freaking lightning. Let's go. Lightning's everywhere. Jeez. Oh my, that's another one. That's... Holy shit. What the fuck? Another one. This is crazy. Holy fuck. What the hell? Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. Like that. That's another. Oh my god. Oh my god. This may be that. Oh my god. This may be that. This is that. Oh, it's non-stop. It's non-stop. Oh my god. What the fuck? Give me another. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my. It's just continuous and it doesn't stop. It just doesn't stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? This is crazy. Oh my god. 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 Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh my god. 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 What the f— this is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Perfect. Oh my god. Holy shit. I am like filled with excitement right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, same exact spot. Same exact spot. I can't believe it. I can't even stop recording. I'm at 15 minutes, but I can't stop. It's just continuous. I can't. Same spot again. What the hell?